Do you believe that you have to work very hard to make money or that earning money is hard? I don't blame you. I used to believe the same. But of course, we have to work hard so we don't have to work hard anymore. In his best-selling books, Life Leverage and Money, my multimillionaire mentor, Rob Moore, who built his wealth from nothing, debunked this myth by saying this: you have to make your money work hard for you by investing in assets that create passive income. You see, the truth is this: most of the poor and the middle class people work hard and invest their money in the wrong asset classes. Or even worse, they don't invest the money at all. On the other hand, rich and wealthy people are constantly looking for opportunities to buy assets to make their money work hard for them so that they can earn passive income and grow their wealth and money. After studying countless millionaires, multimillionaires, and billionaires, I've learned that they all invest in one asset class. They all invest in assets that go up in value over time and pay them passive income without the need to exchange their time for money. These rich and wealthy people also invest in digital assets. Digital assets are assets that pay them royalties or that generate cash flows, such as patents, IPs, copywriting, softwares, licensing, information products such as ebooks, online courses, mastermind programs, coaching programs, and so on. According to my multimillionaire mentor, Rob Moore, once we learn how to leverage the right systems, processes, procedures, or strategies, and once we put in place the right people, creating or earning money is easy and is a skill that you can learn. So making money is only hard when you don't know the systems, you don't know the processes, the procedures or strategies to put in place. So do you still believe that making money is hard or that earning money is hard? Have you heard of a concept called the self-fulfilling prophecy? Self-fulfilling prophecy is the idea that once you make a prediction, you will act to make it true because you'll act according to what you believe. So if you believe that that making money is hard, of course you're gonna act according to what you believe. Because if you think that making money is hard or it's difficult to make money, you're already defeating yourself, because you have to think how you can leverage systems, how you can leverage people and even mentors who already achieved what you want to achieve. So if you can do that, then making money is not so hard anymore. As I said, I used to believe that making money was very hard too. I don't really blame you for believing this. But the moment that I shift my mindset and started believing that making money isn't as hard as I believed before, everything changed. So I believe that we have to adopt the working smart approach and remove the working hard approach. What's the difference between the working hard versus the working smart? The difference is that with the working hard approach, you are working hard or very hard on few goals, activities, or projects that give you true happiness, satisfaction, fulfillment, and income. The main difference is that with a working smart approach, you are making sure that we are working hard on just few goals rather than working multiple projects at the same time. With the working smart approach, we are working on those things that will contribute to our success, happiness, satisfaction, and fulfillment. On the other hand, with the working hard approach, we may be working hard, but not getting the results we are looking for because we are doing too much, we are focusing too many goals, or we are working on too many projects at the same time. And this makes us feel unhappy, unfulfilled, and not worthy enough. So we have to change our approach. We have to work smart and hard, not just working hard. Working hard won't take you to achieve financial freedom. Just by working hard is not good enough to help you become rich and achieve financial freedom. But if you work smart, it means that you are putting your efforts, and also your resources, your time, your money, your knowledge, and any other resource on the right thing instead of doing too many things at the same time. But where does this belief comes from? Where the belief of working hard or earning money is hard comes from? I believe that this belief comes from our parents, from our friends, from the society in general. I believe that this belief has been instilled in our society since the industrial age. The good news is that we are no longer living in this old industrial age. We're not living anymore in this old age where the opportunities to make money or create money was available just to few people. We are living in a digital and technology age. An age where you can use your skills, you can use your talents, you can leverage other people's skills, knowledge, experience to achieve your goals. I believe this age is an age where you can get paid by not just creating wealth and income by promoting other people's assets and services, but also you can invest in your own assets, in your own digital products by creating products such as books, ebooks, courses, mastermind programs, and sell to people. I truly believe that working smarter and harder are the shortcut to instantly boost your income and wealth. So let's forget about the old idea of working hard to earn a living. My point is this: if I have to work harder in the beginning in order to go to the next level, then it's okay. But it is not okay if I have to keep working harder to earn a living and always be facing with financial problems. This is what I call financial suicide. Let's be clear, working harder is only one of the components of success, of making more money. If working harder was enough, a lot of people would be already rich. My mom used to work very hard, but she didn't become rich or wealthy. So we need to be leveraging the right things. It's not just about working hard. So stop believing the idea that you have to work hard or that earning money is hard. Unless you remove this self-limiting belief and myths, you'll never reach your full potential. You'll never make enough money, you'll never multiply your wealth and money. So I will give you one step to success and making money. So what you have to do right now to go to the next level so you can unleash your true financial potential is to get rid for once and for all of this poor belief. The belief that you have to work hard to make money or that earning money is hard. So what's number one thing you're going to do from today? Are you going to remove the idea that you have to work hard to make money, or are you going to embrace new ways of thinking? Are you going to listen to people who empower you, people who show you new systems, people who show you new ways to leverage your skills, experience, and make money? Because making money is not hard. There are systems, processes, strategies, and even ways to achieve more, make more, and multiply your money. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to Success Booster Academy by clicking the button below and then ring the notification bell so you can be notified when we launch new videos about how to make money, how to keep more of it, and also how to multiply your money so you can become financial free.